Dear children, I welcome you all to online class. Hope you are all fine. Last 2 weeks we learned about matter and materials. Let's recall what we have learned last week. We learned about grains like millets, rice, wheat, maize, etc. And we also saw some experiment. Hope you all understood it. This week we are going to learn about energy. Do you know what is energy? Energy is defined as the capacity to do work. From where do we get energy? We get energy from the food we eat. So we should eat healthy food. Mala was standing in the row for her morning school assembly. Suddenly she fainted and fell down. Her class teacher rushed to her, took her to the classroom and gave her water to drink. Then she came to know that Mala had skipped her breakfast. Yes, many of us skip our breakfast. She was given some food and then she came back to normal. What do you understand from this? Yes, we need energy to do our daily activities. We get this energy from the food. In science, energy is defined as capacity to do work. What is energy? Capacity to do work. Let us study about different forms of energy and their uses in this lesson. Different forms of energy. We do many works in our daily life like cooking, washing, reading, driving, etc. Many of them are done physically by hand. Some works are done with the help of instruments and devices, but they need energy to work. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy, and so on. Let us study about them one by one. To dry bus, we need mechanical energy. To dry cloth, we need heat energy. To cook our food, we need heat energy. To work in laptop, we need electrical energy. First, we are going to learn about mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? Energy possessed by an object due to its position. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. What are the two types of mechanical energy? Mechanical energy can be classified into two. They are kinetic energy and potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a moving object. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. What is called energy of motion? Examples: moving car, cricket ball bowled by a player, bullet coming out of a gun. What is potential energy? Energy possessed by an object which is at rest. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. It is also known as stored energy of position. What is called stored energy of position? Examples: object lifted above, stone in the stretched rubber band, water in the dam. Now let's see the uses of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be used to do many works. Some of them are given below. In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Windmills convert kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. Mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. Mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move. What is wind energy? Energy possessed by the wind. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Uses of wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Do you know Tamil Nadu stands first in generating electricity from wind? The windmills are located in places like Aralvaimoli, Kayatharu and Gudimangalam. Heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. This energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. If you put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Rub your hands together. What do you feel? Do you feel the heat generated by friction? Take a small amount of lime powder in a glass. Add some water and stir well. Touch the glass outside. How do you feel? In both the cases, you can feel the heat. Thus, heat is produced by friction and chemical reactions. Which is the primary source of heat energy? Sun is the primary source of heat energy. Now let's learn the uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power stations is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food material soft and easy to digest. Hot substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes. Heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. Do you know heat is the total energy of the molecules in a body? Temperature is a measure of heat in a body. Now we learn about light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particle called photon, which are the minute packets of energy. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not require any medium to travel. Light travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Do you know the study of light is known as optics? Uses of light energy. We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Plants use light energy to synthesize their food. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. What is electrical energy? We know that all things are made up of atoms. Atoms possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. Movement of electron in the objects causes an energy. This energy is called electrical energy. In a daily life, we use batteries to get electrical energy. Electric energy is also generated from nuclear power plants, hydroelectric plants and windmills. It is also generated from solar energy. Uses of electrical energy. Electric energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. Electric iron box, electric stove and electric water heater work by electrical energy. It is used to run cars and trains. Electrical energy is used in factories to produce materials. Do you know electric eel generates electric energy? It uses this energy to defend itself against its predators. Now let's learn the spelling words. Repeat after me. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Mechanical. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L. Mechanical. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L. Mechanical. Kinetic. K-I-N-E-T-I-C. Kinetic. K-I-N-E-T-I-C. Kinetic. Potential. P-O-T-E-N-T-I-A-L. Potential. P-O-T-E-N-T-I-A-L. Potential. Position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Position. Temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Temperature. Thermal. T-H-E-R-M-A-L. Thermal. T-H-E-R-M-A-L. Thermal. Electrical. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L. Electrical. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L. Electrical. Conservation. C-O-N-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. Conservation. C-O-N-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. Conservation. Chemical. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L. Chemical. C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L. Chemical. Homework. Write the spelling words 2 times and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children.